Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can redeem your GameStop gift card.
So GameStop is our American shop, which you know sells game merchandise and other stuff related with gaming and electronics like itself. Xbox, PlayStations, Game X Xbox game, as well as PC games, as well as you can also sell your old games or like your old game CDs over here.
And GameStop is a pretty big retail store in America. So if you guys have a promo code of it, you can use it online, which I'm going to be showing you how we guys can do it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the first step is you want to search for GameStop. After the source for GameStop, click on the first link where it says GameStop.com. It's going to take you to the official website of GameStop. Now over here, in order to use the promo code, you need to buy something on GameStop. So I'm going to buy anything over here in random. So I'm going to go on versus Sony PS5 DualSense controller. I'm going to buy this, but you guys can buy anything you want. Alright, once you come over here, you need to click on where it says Add to Cart. Once you click on Add to Cart over here, wait for some time until it loads up. After it loads up, you can choose whichever plan you want. I'm just going to choose a 1-year plan. Once I choose that, this thing is going to be added to my cart. Now once this thing is added to my cart, I can click on View Cart. Once I click on View Cart, it's going to take me into my cart where I can pay for this controller. Now when I'm paying for my controller, there is going to be enter a promo code, which means if I have like a gift card, I can pay using my gift card. Alright, so I'm going to click on Enter Promo Code. And behind your gift card, there's going to be a random digit code over here. You need to scratch your gift card in order to see that. Once you see the code, you need to type the code exactly how it's written in the gift card. Once you type the code over here exactly in the way how it's written, click on Submit. And if the gift card or the gift code you entered over here is correct, then it's going to be used in order to buy the product. Alright? So let's say my total is going to be around $186. Alright, and my gift card is worth $50. So the $50 is going to be used, but I need to provide that extra amount over here for buying the stuff. Alright? So that's how it works. Don't get confused. Don't think like a $50 gift card can buy you like $1,000 worth of gift. Alright. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.